Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 1, Week 5, Day 4. Now because this is Day 4, I'm going to be letting you do a lot of the talking. So here we go, put it together. St, sk, sn, sn, s. Oh, whoops, you do that part. Now together, sp, sw, bur, her, der, fur, per, ter. Okay, here we go. Listen as I say these words: crawl, drop, crib. I hear cur at the beginning of crawl and crib. I do not hear cur at the beginning of drop. Drop does not belong. I will say 3 words. Tell me which word does not belong. Grin, gross, truth. Truth does not belong. Skip, slot, scare. Slot does not belong. Black, trip, trot. Black does not belong. Spot, spin, swam. Swam does not belong. Crop, brag, crash. Brag does not belong. Last of all, trap, frog, try. Frog does not belong. Okay, friends, these are a lot of words, but I'm going to give you 3 seconds to read them, then I'll help you. 3, 2, 1, Tim's. 3, 2, 1, cats. 3, 2, 1, Fran's. 3, 2, 1, man's. 3, 2, 1, Sam's. 3, 2, 1, dogs. 3, 2, 1, cab. 3, 2, 1, crab. 3, 2, 1, grab. 3, 2, 1, slid. Okay, so this is where we're changing a sound to make a new word. So let's blend this. Brick. So the word is brick. Change the b to t. Trick. Change the I to a. Track. Change the k to p. Trap. So trap. Get rid of the R. So cover that up. Look at it. It becomes tap. Change the a to I. Tip. Change the t to tur. Trip. Get rid of the t. It becomes rip. Change the a to g. Grr. Becomes grip. Change the p to n. Grin. Change the n to ul. Grill. Change the g to d. Drill. Change the ul to p. Drip. Change the I to ah. Drop. Change the d to k. Crop. Okay, this time we're just going to go very quickly 5 times. Jump, 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 jump. I jump into the pool. Move, 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 move. Can you move this big box? Run, 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 run. We will run to school. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Brad has 2 black cats. Okay, here's our story for today. Let's blend it. Snip and Trip can move. Okay, here are words you'll see. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1 is. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, can. 3, 2, 1, and. 3, 2, 1, they. 3, 2, 1, it. 3, 2, 1, on. 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, move. And let's read our story. Snip and Trip can move. Okay, so this is Snip. This is the crab. Let's read this together. Snip is a crab. Snip can swim and snap. Okay, let's read the next one together. Trip is a frog. Trip can jump. Together, Snip and Trip drag a stick. They prop it on a brick. So they're leaning it on a brick. Okay? Together, Trip hops to a top spot. Snip skips, trots, runs. So here's Snip. He's moving around and we have a list, comma, comma. So Snip skips, trots, runs. Okay, here we go. Last part. Snip and Trip move a lot. Okay, friends. So last of all, remember, when we add an apostrophe S to the end of a noun, it means that something belongs to someone or something. So Max would be Max's cat. So that means the cat belongs to Max. You could do Fran's dog. The dog belongs to Fran. Frog's fly. The fly belongs to Frog. Mom's cake. The cake belongs to Mom. Last of all, dog's bone. The bone belongs to dog. Now, the reason we say a noun is it can be a person or someone or something is Max is someone, Fran is someone. Is Frog someone? No, Frog is something. Mom is someone, dog is something. So remember, when we add an apostrophe S, that means it belongs to someone or something. Okay, bye everyone.